In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Form 2441 Child and Dependent Care Expenses from your tax return. If you need to remove this form from your return, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. As you follow along, make sure you already have your return open and that you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside your return, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find several navigation options for moving through different sections of your tax file. From that left sidebar, select Tax Tools. This area contains some of the behind-the-scenes options that help you manage your return, including access to your forms. After you click Tax Tools, a small menu or expanded set of options should appear. From there, click Tools. This will open a new panel with several utility options related to your return. In the Tools section, look for the option labeled Delete a Form and select it. This will bring up a list of the forms currently included in your tax return. Take your time here and scroll carefully if needed, because it's important to choose the correct form before deleting anything. You're looking specifically for Form 2441, which is the Child and Dependent Care Expenses form. Once you find Form 2441 in the list, click Delete next to it. After that, the program will usually ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental changes, so just make sure you're removing the correct form before you proceed. After the form is deleted, it's a good idea to review your return for any related entries that may no longer apply. In some cases, deleting a form can affect other parts of your return, especially if information connected to childcare expenses was previously entered elsewhere. If the software prompts you to revisit a section, follow those prompts so everything stays accurate and complete. And that's it. By opening your return, going to Tax Tools, choosing Tools, selecting Delete a Form, and removing Form 2441, you can clear that form from your return quickly and cleanly. If you're following this as part of correcting your tax information, move slowly and double-check each screen before continuing.